Hi, my name is Silas, and today we have a guest today.
Hi, my name's Sophia. Silas, what are we making today?
We're making original scones.
We're gonna preheat the oven to 400 degrees.
Okie dokie. Next, we're gonna measure 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 2 cups, if you can hear me. Put it here. Okay, so that's 1 cup. Now you're going to need to get the other one. Next, we're going to need 2 tablespoons of sugar. Don't forget to level it. I just used a spatula. Whatever. That's 1. And then half a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of salt. Here's the salt. Yeah. And then 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Let's level it on that thing. It's not enough. About enough. And then we're gonna stir it with this giant spatula that I found in the middle of nowhere. We've got a new guest today. His name is Matias.
Hello.
Next, we're going to have to cut 3 tablespoons of butter. Don't forget to cut the wrapper. And then we're going to cut it into little dices. That's for you to cut. I need an extra knife. And then we're going to mix it with our hands. Do you wash your hands?
Yeah.
You? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's do it. Okay. I have to do it myself. I think something's wrong with this thing. It needs more butter. Could you cut 3 more tablespoons? Please? Don't forget to dice it up. I know. Okay. Don't worry, it came from a factory.
And the factory came from a farm.
And the farm came from a guy. And the guy came from nothing. And nothing came from
outer space.
Okay. And outer space came from the universe. And then the universe came from a box.
A cardboard one.
Yeah, a cardboard one. But then what created the box?
Cardboard.
Oh yeah.
Well, then what created cardboard? Trees. What created trees?
Plants.
What created plants?
Air.
Why are we talking about this in the first place?
I don't know. Because I cut the cheese.
Like literally?
Yeah, literally.
While they're working on that, I'm gonna measure 2/3 cups of milk.
Ding, ding. I think I hit treasure. I mean gold. I mean silver.
You mean butter?
Oh, yeah.
Oh. Ew.
I'm not gonna stir that. Right?
No, Silas, don't.
Okay, fine. Doesn't look good.
Doesn't look good or probably not taste good right now.
It's raw.
I like cookie dough.
Oh, me too. Oh, that has raw egg. I also like brownie dough. It's good. It's actually raw chocolate. Yeah. Next, we're gonna flour the table, and then Matias is going to butter the pan.
Butter the pan.
Yeah, butter the pan. Okay, we're gonna do this. Put flour on your hands. Yeah, it's gonna work. Yeah. And then Sophia's gonna put the scone dough on here and then knead it. She's gonna knead it.
You're gonna need it for this thing.
Well, yeah, we are gonna knead
You're
it.
gonna have to knead it.
Yeah.
Not.
Both literally and figuratively. Just knead it.
Knead it.
I'm gonna knead it this time. Silas. About half an inch. That's about enough. That's about enough. Okay, take this. Each one you take. Take one. No. You're gonna press it in, like that.
Like that?
No. Like that.
It's so floppy. Now where do we put it?
There.
Okay.
They look like donuts just without the holes. Okay, that's about enough. Let's put it half an inch. I'm just gonna flatten that.
You know, we could just do keep pressing them down, and then we could just.
Well, yeah. Okay. That's about enough.
This is not right.
It's not ripe.
No, whatever. Forget it.
Oh, that's wow. Oopsies.
Oh, you squished it, Silas. Oh, now it's stuck on there.
Hey, get those.
Next, we're gonna bake for 12 to 15 minutes. We baked these scones for 15 minutes. They look good and ready to eat. So, dig in. You can also use jam, marmalade, and butter.
I'm gonna eat this thing. They're good even without it.
Looks good with marmalade.
It's really good.
Leave a thumbs up if you like it. You can also put a thumbs up emoji if you like it on the comments. Comment what you want to make next. Subscribe if you like it. And thank you.
Bye.